Thing is, how do I get up there? How do I get up there? I can't. Well, time to go home. Until we see something else. Until we see something else. Man, I actually enjoyed this trip. I was getting disappointed for a second, then all of a sudden this happened. This place. That's a dead end down there too. Now we can actually look at this house from the top. So this is how they got in. They got in here, hopped in. And these persons are extremely reckless, man. But this is where they lived all this time. More human beings. Hello, fellow human beings. Nice to see you. Hello. Oof, man. It just got darker. What time is it? Have I been out here for at least 3 hours? I played around there for a little bit, verbally speaking. Okay. In a very verbal way, I was joking around there. That's it. That's completely it. Got to see what we at least thought was a waterfall. Got to see some ruins. Too bad I couldn't get inside there. I have to completely pry that thing off. And there are cameras there. There is signage. And there's potential death too. So once you get in, you probably can't get out. Whew. Oh goodness. Well, that is Rolling Hill Park, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, this is Rolling Hill Park. Mostly trail, mostly forestry. Some old housing. That structure looked more stable than everything else. The biggest one, at least. Oof. Now we just enjoy the sounds of nature, and that's that. Getting a little darker. Time for me to get going. Wait a minute, that's taking me back down, isn't it? As you could watch the person play with his dog. I wonder what's wrong with it. Is it upset? Or is he excited? I don't know. I can't speak dog. I'm not a dog whisperer. I'm not a dog whisperer, man. They're doggies. Oop.
Rocky.
Want this stuff to be happening much earlier.
Hi, doggy.
Oh, come on, sorry,
May
I'm
not
sorry,
like
he's
her.
disgusting. I'm sorry.
It's okay. That's what the dog said. I was here. At first I thought those dogs were gonna fight, man. I literally did. I was like, oh no, it was kissing the other one. I was like, oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, there's 3 dogs. There's 3 dogs. The dog's a symbol. It's the Avenger dogs. They become the world's mightiest heroes. It's a galactic being about to destroy planet Earth, and then you need the great, marvelous doggies to save the world. And then they saved the world, the end. And everybody was happy. The Avenger dogs, the mighty, mighty Avenger doggies. Out of all the trails I've been on, let me see, I've been on what? How many different ones already? Well, it's enough. This particular forest, this is some real hiking here. I need to go somewhere else. I need to go somewhere else to see how much more crazier that one is. Probably need some climbing gear, some gloves, maybe some chalk, in case we're rock climbing. Or is that some kind of clay they use? I don't know. If not gloves, chalk. If not chalk, gloves. Wait, I came down this way. I did. Oh boy. Man, I am sore. Already, that was a lot of walking we did today. Well, yes, myself and these persons. Happy pants, happy pants. Goodness. Well, from here and onward is just going to be all forestry. So see you next time.